Today we are doing a MANZO exhaust review on this 1990 NA Mazda Miata. Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Grayson McTaggart and I like making videos about cars. So if that sounds cool to you, be sure to subscribe down below so you don't miss any of the content that I put out in the future. A while back we went ahead and installed a MANZO catback exhaust on Money's Miata. And I think it's finally time that we do a review on it. Money's been driving around with it for a bit, and I've heard it a few times as well. And so, if you're gonna be buying this exhaust, you wanna know what it sounds like. So that's what this video is about today. Money's gonna go ahead and start it up so we can hear what it sounds like. It's not a cold start, it is a cool start because we live in Texas and it's 100 degrees outside. But go ahead, Money. Now I know the camera doesn't do it justice, but this thing is pretty loud. We're gonna go for a ride in it now, and so you guys can hear what it sounds like inside the car, and then we'll get some drive-bys as well, and maybe a couple revs. So riding in the car, it's pretty okay noise-wise when you're just cruising, but it's whenever you get into the higher RPMs that you really hear this exhaust come to life. Not only do you get like burbles and pops, especially because this one doesn't have a catalytic converter in it, but you do hear everything from this motor. That's nuts. And then the backfires on the the deceleration is just insane. If you have it in a Miata and you have modded it in any way, this is definitely a very, very cool exhaust. The little pops. Wow, okay, so this exhaust does sound pretty good. It is very loud. Just puts a smile on my face. Literally every single time we ride in your car, like it's so great. I love it.
I know. It's really grown on me. At first, I was like, yeah. Oh my god, this is so loud.
It's almost like a straight pipe, but it's a little more refined than that, and it's really great. I really do like this exhaust, and for the price, it wasn't bad at all.
Right.
Okay, so we found a parking garage that we're gonna use as a tunnel real quick. It's clear, so we're just gonna go through it, and this thing's gonna sound insane. Okay, so we went ahead and pulled over somewhere. We're not gonna bother many people, and I'm gonna have Money rev the car real quick, and so you guys can hear what it sounds like revving up and in those higher RPMs. Go ahead, Money. That is so insane. That's so insane, bro.
I got it to 7,200 right there. Dude.
What?
Yes.
Are you kidding? Okay, this exhaust is nuts. I'm kind of regretting I didn't put this on my car, but it's absolutely nuts.
Right?
Now we're gonna go ahead and get some kind of drive-bys, flybys, and so you guys can hear what this sounds like as it goes by. god, that those like distinct pops. Did it do that when you first installed it?
No, it didn't.
Okay, that's so crazy. I love that. Okay, the birds are really loud right now, but I'm gonna go ahead and end the video. As we were driving, those pops that we were hearing, Money actually told me that someone has seen him shoot a flame out of the back.
One flame.
Of the exhaust, so we don't know how big it is, but eventually I'll try to get that on video or camera or something, because that sounds insane. But anyway, overall, this exhaust is an incredible exhaust. Now, it was not super easy to install, but mainly because we had to do some fab work specific to his car. But other than that, this was a great exhaust. I absolutely love it. I'll link it down below in case you want to pick one up for yourself. But that's pretty much going to do it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope to see you on the next one. Bye.
Yeah.